Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you an easy way to earn free Microsoft Rewards points quickly. I'll guide you through the full process step by step, so you can start collecting points without wasting time. The method is simple, straightforward, and I've tested it myself across multiple accounts to make sure everything works smoothly. Before we jump into the download, let's quickly go over a couple of settings to ensure everything runs as expected. First, open your device's settings, tap on General, then scroll to Background App Refresh and make sure it's enabled, either on Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and mobile data. This helps the app function properly in the background. Next, go back and tap on Battery and confirm that low power mode is turned off. That feature can interfere with app performance, so it's important it stays disabled. Once these quick checks are done, you're good to go. With that out of the way, let's move on to the actual download. Launch your browser and go to tweakoapp.com. It's a trusted site offering various optimized and modified tools. Use the search bar at the top to find Rewards++ and select it from the available results. You'll land on a dedicated page with detailed info, stats, and user feedback. Hit the Download Now button to start the download process. The download typically takes just a few seconds. If it's your first time visiting the site, you'll need to complete a brief verification step. It's fast, easy, and doesn't cost anything. You'll be redirected to a short guide asking you to install a couple of free apps from the App Store or Google Play. Just follow the instructions shown on screen. Once the verification is successful, the app will begin installing automatically. For me, everything went smoothly, and as you can see, everything is now fully installed and running smoothly. That's all there is to it. If this guide proved helpful and everything works flawlessly, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful content. If you run into any issues or have questions, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to assist you. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.